Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine and welcome to our second semester and hearty congratulations on getting your past your first term. Students, inshallah, there will be a time when we will be in our classroom premises, in our school premises, and we will be taking regular lectures over there. Inshallah, there will be a time. And with that hope, we are going to start our new semester. So this is our lesson number 7, haircut, and this is the part of your second semester. From here your second semester gets started. So are you prepared? Please keep your pencils in your hands. Right? Okay. So first of all, the introduction of this lesson is that this lesson is about a weird boy who is having a very strange name. His name was Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada and he used to shorten it as DNP. He was famous with the DNP. And after some years, what he did, something more weird about him, he grew a fine beard. And later on he grew long hairs as well. So this gave him more, you can say, a difficult situation that compelled him to cut his hair and his beard. So we will read later in the story that what he learned and what he did, why he compelled to get shortened his hair and his beard. We will read in the story later. So keep your pencils in your hands and start reading now. When he was a little boy, people who met him for the first time marveled at his name. Underline the word marveled. It means they showed surprise. It was a long name and a bit of a tongue twister. Underline the word tongue twister. Students, tongue twister means a word or phrase that is difficult to pronounce. When he started school, his teachers preferred to put him down in the class register as DNP. All his friends called him DNP. His mother, who had been responsible for giving him the name in the first place, shortened it even further and addresses him as DN. And his sister, not to be outdone, called him D. You see that how people were reacting with his long name. In school, he was famous with DNP, and his mother, who was even responsible for the name, she shortened it more and she called it DN. And his sister shortened it most and she called him D. So now that he was older and wiser, DNP or DN or D always introduces himself to the others by his full name, Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada. So what happened next? When he was older, he started to introducing his name full. Why? Because he also thought that people would think more highly of him if he grew a fine beard. So he did, and it was a fine beard indeed. It was a marvelous beard. So, with the passage of time, what different thought came in his mind? That as my name is already a very impressive and a very big name, so why don't I grew a fine beard? So people would think more highly of me, that I am a very respectable sort of person. As the years went by, Danish Nasiruddin Pirzada's smart, impressive beard turned very grey. It was still a magnificent sight. Underline the word magnificent. Magnificent means very beautiful or impressive. But he started to grow his long hair long. He began to look a little like a tramp. Underline the word tramp. Students, tramp mean a vagabond or a person who used to walk here and there purposelessly, or you can say having no fixed destination. So as years went by, what Nasiruddin Pirzada did? He grew fine beard, his beard turned into grey, but it was still magnificent. But the looks of that boy got changed when he started to grow his hair long, and he looked like a vagabond. Okay, come to the next page. One hot day, as he was walking down the road to the market to buy some vegetables for his lunch, he suddenly felt a little weary. Underline the word weary. Weary means tired. So what is the situation here? He went out to the road to buy some vegetables for lunch, and he got tired because it was a very hot day.